around this time, I'm feeling like I'm almost complete with the first phase. I created a very basic functioning photo viewer. The functionality, this whole fade in and fade out, I like that. It works for me. The CSS styling, very generic, but that's good because when I apply this to other projects, I could really do what I want with it. Also, in the CSS style, if you recall, I was trying to keep everything at least to one of the main things you would do with this is change the height or width, and then you could do all that through the container. That's not an issue. Actually, the container and the nav menu is going to need to change with the padding, because if you want to change this thing to like 600-700 pixels high, you're going to have to change that padding for the nav menu accordingly to go down. And when you want to actually do some work with this, you're going to put this into your style sheet. You could put some directions on the fact that you're going to need to change the background image to the image sprite you want and probably position it differently and rename these different classes. There's little things you have to change, but it's pretty reusable. I guess the final thing to do is to upload this and preview it on a bunch of different browsers, because I want to, again, preview it, make sure that it's cross-browser consistent and that it validates. So the validation is key. Here we go. Let me just go to the URL where it's at, and oh wait, this doesn't look like it. Here we go. Alright, there it is, and it seems to be loading relatively quick. Maybe I thought it was a little slow before, but must have been my internet connection at the time. Alright, the functionality is still going. Let me validate the CSS. Ooh, I got 2 errors, and they are coming from, okay, that's fine. I can't do anything about this. This is a little IE hack with the I'm pretty sure that's what it is with the asterisks over there. But there are 2 errors in the YUI reset. I'm not in love with the fact that YUI creates those errors, but part of me says, hey, Yahoo knows what they're doing, so it's okay. Part of me says that. The other part of me says, why am I using it if it's generating me errors? But I'll figure that out later. My document, okay, it passed. So that's cool. Last but not least, let's make sure that all my browsers play nice with it. Cool. This is Internet Explorer 8. That's some pretty smooth transitioning over there. I like it. Alright, I'm feeling stupid. Let's try 6. Probably go, we'll see. At the time of this recording, it's 2011. IE6, people need to get over it at this point. I don't like to say that, but you can only go back so far for yourself, because I mean you can't style for all browsers. And honestly, the only deviation from the rest of them is that this isn't perfectly aligned. You see what I'm saying? It's not. This space to the left is less than the one to the right, and that's not the case for I guess that is the case for. Interesting. Oh well. I mean, honestly, if this is the only difference between the two, between Internet Explorer and the rest of them, I could just nudge that over with with a left margin, something like that. Let me just give this a go on Chrome, and I will feel happy if it looks good in here. I'm pretty confident. Yeah, this must be my internet, because before it just came right up. Yeah. Hey, you know what? I think this is pretty good, and I think this is ready for a lot of cool extra stuff that could be added to it.